Salut à tous, c'est Zuko, j'espère que vous allez bien aujourd'hui et on continue 007 First Light. On avait fini la mission en boîte de nuit.
Carpathian Hotel in the high Tatra Mountains of Slovakia, host to the World Chess Championship. Safe to say 009 did not pick this location at random. The hotel is swarming with international VIPs, security is of the highest order, and due to the current diplomatic tension between the UK and Slovakia, the operation has not been cleared with local authorities. According to 009's instructions, the meeting will go down in full public view during the championship match. No comms, no tracking, no backup. And these are only the safeguards that we know about. 009 will employ every manner of subterfuge to avoid capture. And if he suspects a trap, we'll never get another shot. This is where you come in. You're all blank slates in the intelligence circuit, which makes you ideally suited for undercover work. Locate 009 and keep him under close watch, but do not engage the target. This is a black tag operation, so discretion, ladies and gentlemen, is critical.
Allez, c'est parti. Et on conduit... Ouah, une Jaguar. C'est laquelle, celle-là? C'est la Jaguar. Est-ce qu'on peut voir laquelle c'est? Ou c'est un modèle inventé, peut-être? Il est à 50, se rendre à l'hôtel. Ah oui, ça va.
And James, do quit your pouting.
I'm a glorified hood ornament. What can I possibly have to pout about?
Sorry if the assignment doesn't live up to your grand expectations. Someone must watch the perimeter. If 009 slips through our fingers, you're the last line of defense.
Exhilarating. Greenway's testing you, mate. That's all. Don't give him an excuse.
The cap looks good on you, though. Really brings out your cheekbones. Take a left up ahead, James.
Backseat driver.
What's that, darling?
Just a frog in my throat.
Ah, c'est plutôt joli, j'aime bien. Il y a une belle cohérence dans les décors. Mais ça, c'est très Hitman.
Halt.
Is everything in order?
Routine inspection, man. Won't be a moment. All clear.
Jaguar XJ. Il existe vraiment ce modèle? Je regarderai. Oula. Le rétro, le rétro.
I think I have. Stayed here, I mean, a wedding back in 22.
Doesn't sound like something you'd forget.
Well, the hen was in Cannes, so we flew in by private jet. It was dark and we'd been drinking, so...
Can. Private jet.
What?
Nothing. Darling, nothing at all. What do you make of 009?
He was the best in his day. That was a long time ago. My guess is he's tired of running.
Greenway thinks we're being played.
And since when do you trust Greenway?
I never said I did.
They knew each other though. That much is clear. Something to do with an operation called Nightfall.
That begs the question. Did 009 pick Greenway out of good faith? Or bad blood?
Well, we're about to find out. Pull up. This is our stop. We're live, gentlemen. Switch to comms. Monroe, with me. James, stay.
Save the world some other time, yeah?
Afternoon. Invitation, please.
Blake and Loretta York. Plus the help.
Welcome to the Grand Carpathian. Parking is right up ahead. Mr. and Mrs. York, enjoy your stay.
Much obliged. Oh, they will.
Là, je les ai pas vus descendre. Parfait, allez, on va les se garer. Et quelque chose... Oula. Conduire avec souris clavier, c'est pas simple. Quelque chose me dit qu'on va pas rester dans la voiture.
Team status?
Nash, delivery area. In position. Safe. Staff quarters.
Ronson, conference wing. Kingsley, first floor suites.
Bond. Bond.
Car park. In position.
Greenway, Grand Hall. Switching off comms as instructed. Keep a low profile and don't let your guards down. 009 most certainly won't. Out.
Ça m'étonnerait qu'on reste là à rien faire.
Not exactly the 5-star treatment. No harm in stretching my legs.
Qu'est-ce que c'était que cette valise qui était sur le blond? Oui d'accord, mais on peut pas aller voir la valise?
009?
No, one of the hotel staff. Strangest looking bellhop I ever saw. He was mishandling luggage.
Are you joking? What are we, the local tourist board?
I guess he had to be there. It was odd. I'm gonna check it out.
You will not. 009 is our only priority. Stay at your post, James. That's an order.
Yes, Mom.
Yes, mom. Oui, chef. Et ils ont adapté un tout petit peu le texte. C'est lui là?
It was all over social media last year. Where have you been?
Pardon me? Need to see a man about a bag.
Afternoon, sir. Staff and press only.
Oh, damn. Forgot my press badge.
You're not the first.
Missed him.
Ah. On va retrouver. Je peux pas aller là. Je peux pas aller là. Stephen Lee. Ok. Il va falloir trouver un moyen de rentrer. Est-ce qu'on pourrait passer par là? Je vois qu'il y a des tuyaux. Je vois qu'il y a un balcon. Enflammé, briquet manquant. Ok, je peux faire diversion. Ouais, tiens, il y a une opportunité. Hop, on va la saisir.
Pick up, pick up, pick up! George! Yeah, it's no use. I met with the whistleblower. Claims to have proof that Nivik's cheating, but they'll only talk to Hoffman. How far off is he? Well, tell him to floor it or we'll lose the scoop of the year. I stashed his press badge inside one of the big pots on the lower ramparts. I need to get back in there. It's a nail-biter. Unless you sent me all this way to report on the landscaping?
Carte de presse cachée. Une carte de presse est cachée sur les remparts inférieurs.
Didn't think so.
Les remparts inférieurs, faut descendre alors. Ici?
Did you hear Grandmaster Nivik got his ass handed to him by one of the web industry's self-learning AIs?
No. Did he flip the table?
Dans un dépôt des remparts inférieurs.
He's out of orange juice.
Ou alors c'est encore plus bas.
To be fair, he did win the first couple of games easily. Then the AI ran 12,000
Ça me dit pas clairement où c'est.
to get coffee. But when he returned, it wiped. It wasn't even built for chess. It was a general-purpose AI. The thing just put in its 10,000 hours of focused practice. In
C'est
about
quoi ça?
45.
Non, c'est une batterie.
Talk about a lesson in humility.
I'm just relieved that joke's the ballet. I don't see AI thinking.
Ça m'indique ce polo. Ah non mais ça m'indique tous les pots en fait. Carte de presse, elle était là.
Put it back. Eventually. Probably.
Impeccable. Donc là je devrais pouvoir rentrer avec ça.
Can I duck through? I need to catch up with that bellhop.
Show me your ID and all's good.
Montrez votre carte.
Forget my own head next.
All right. Checks out. Step into the scanner, please.
J'ai rien sur moi, non?
He's clear. You may enter, sir. Enjoy the tournament.
You're on a tight ship.
Allez, super.
The press.
That's what my badge says.
Continue up the stairs, please. The mezzanine is great for photos. Best view in all the house.
Good tip. But it's great for people watching.
C'est quoi ça sur la table? On peut pas le récupérer? Bon d'accord, ok. Hop. Merci messieurs dames.
The one in the dining hall?
Eh ben c'était plutôt facile. Je peux fouiller les tiroirs. Ok.
Blocked. Don't mind me, ladies.
Good afternoon, sir. Which room is he in?
Dunno. But he's getting an extra mint on his pillow. That's for sure.
Ah quel charmeur. Enquêter sur le blond. Il y a une porte ouverte. Oh, il y a du monde.
Now, let's see what all the fuss is about. There's Greenway. Hopefully I'm the last thing on his mind. What are you here for?
Bond, status.
No sign of 009. Over.
C'est qui là? Alexander Nivik, Gretchen Wong. Et la fille tout à l'heure elle disait que Nivik trichait. Et ah oui, Greenway il est là. Greenway il est là. Et il y a personne d'autre qu'on connaît là? Ok, c'est un bel hôtel. Hein. Faudrait trouver un moyen de descendre.
Kingsley alert. Best not get spotted just yet. Need to build a case.
Bond? Why am I not surprised?
Kingsley, you can keep a secret, can't you?
Don't bother. I'm reporting you right here and now.
Look, I'm onto something. This is my shot at proving myself to Greenway. Just help me out here.
Wow. This is unprofessional, even for you. Command, Bond has abandoned his post. I repeat, Bond has abandoned his post.
Copy. I will handle it.
Non, fallait pas le dire.
Nice knowing you.
Seriously? They're only the UK's most successful AI company. They pretty much revolutionized
Ah, c'est pas sympa.
counterintelligence
C'est pas sympa.
and military logistics. Sorry.
Ouh. Ouh, ce miroir. Alors.
This guy better be worth it.
Oui, l'hôtel. Bon, ça m'a l'air d'être un petit peu couloir par ici. Donc on va suivre.
How do you do?
Where have I seen him before?
I think he models for Alexander Dupin.
Oh, right.
Now, where do you go?
Je peux parler au barman.
Can I help you, sir?
Wonder if you could help me.
I'll certainly try, sir.
Recommend anything?
The Sazerac is always popular. Me, I'd go with the Ram Collins or the Stinger. If you feel like going off menu, I make a killer bare knuckle boxer.
Anything virgin?
None that I'd recommend.
Point taken. How's business?
Lot of VIPs. Even for this place. We have a prince, 2 heads of state, any number of celebrities. No wonder they brought in all that extra security.
Can't be too careful. Did you notice the blonde bellhop who just passed through here?
There's a face you'd pick out in a lineup. Probably one of the pimps. He was asking for the directions to the backstage area.
A chess fiend. I knew it.
I'd stay clear of him.
Just need a quiet word. Nothing dramatic.
Ok. Il a dit, c'est qui?
Nash, delivery area secure. No sign of 009. Moving on to the next checkpoint. Over.
Bond, what are you playing at? Hey, better to ask for forgiveness, right?
Ouais. Mon équipe se demande ce que je fais.
Is he really pushing the ball?
He is.
Bloody hell. I can't watch. That's what I call a trophy. Should have been a chess player.
You don't have the patience, Wu.
Where's it from, anyway? The Habsburgs?
French would be my guess.
Il est beau, ça doit être en diamant. Petit trophée en diamant. Et là, c'est qui? C'est une opportunité.
Norman, are you listening?
Je vais peut-être plutôt suivre l'objectif pour commencer.
She's playing too fast.
That's what she wants him to think.
Non, mais ça m'indique quelque chose de générique, c'est pas...
Ralph, what's the matter? Hello? Earth to Ralphie.
Now that right there is a dangerous move on one.
Hmm.
Is it you can hold both that square right there to prevent Navik's knight or bishop from... Inspecté. Écrit en slovaque, une des pages a été arrachée.
Your colleague, stay clear of the backstage area. This is the World Championships, for pity's sake. I need to focus.
Dreadfully sorry. Won't be a moment.
Actually setting up his defense. The King's Indian defense to be precise and all.
Ok, je sais pas trop à quoi servait ce livre. Alors j'aimerais écouter la conversation, faut se mettre là.
Oh, look at you all.
Qu'est-ce qu'ils disent?
What's going on?
A hell of a thing. This bellhop, he tore a page from that antique book.
Ok.
Shot me a look like, talk and you're dead. And liked it.
Christ, the nerve of something.
And why would the blonde man tear up
I'm
a
sure Mike
book?
was only trying to scare you, Ralphie.
Yeah, well, he bloody succeeded.
Nothing that a stiff drink won't fix. I'll fetch you a G&T.
Un insigne de championnat, objet de collection. Super. Il y avait une autre conversation à écouter là-bas. Il y avait des filles et il y avait ces deux personnes là aussi.
Norman, are you listening to me? Norman, pay attention. I said, well, I never.
What is it this time, Mother? Does some troglodyte wear a waistcoat with a cummerbund? Oh, the humanity.
No, that tall, blonde bellhop. Oh, never mind. You're oblivious as usual.
She's no happy customer.
Je peux lui demander?
Pardon me, Mom. Hotel administration. I couldn't help but overhear.
Good. I was about to file a complaint.
This bellhop was bothering you.
Well, I called him 3 times and he just rushed past me. Ignored me completely.
No, disgraceful. When was this incident?
Just a moment ago. Hurry up, you might catch him.
Did you happen to see where he went?
I'll tell you exactly where he went. Towards reception.
You've been most helpful, Mom. I'll take it from here.
You better. Honestly.
Ok. Il dit qu'il allait vers le hall d'entrée. Donc ça me recommande d'aller là-bas. On va aller voir tout de suite.
Let's see. Male, Caucasian, whitish blonde hair, approximately 6'2", spoke with an accent. Must be a foreign national. I'm sorry, Mr. Prendergast, but we simply do not have a bellhop of that description.
Ridiculous. And who made off with my bag then? I demand to see the manager.
He is on his way, Mr. Prendergast. I'm sure it's all a misunderstanding.
It better be. I'll be over here.
Wouldn't want to keep Mr. Prendergast waiting.
Est-ce que je peux lui parler à elle?
Did someone rob that gentleman?
A misunderstanding with one of our temps, that's all.
A bellhop, tall, white blonde hair.
Why, he is certainly popular today. Did these men bother you, sir?
Thought I recognized him from somewhere. Have you seen him?
Afraid not. And after today, I doubt he'll be coming back.
Thanks. Busy day?
Fully booked as always. We're not the region's favorite romantic getaway for nothing.
No, I can see why. You into chess?
I'm more of a snooker girl. Say, there is a quaint little bar nearby with a 9-feet mahogany table. I get off at 10 in case you feel like losing some money.
Ah, duty calls, I'm afraid. Some other time.
Sympa, on prend 2 minutes pour draguer.
Mr. Prendergast, I am told you have some missing baggage.
Stolen is more likely.
Any idea where he went?
Yes, that's what I've been telling you people. I spotted him just before, going through the door marked laundry.
Laundry. That's very helpful. What is your business at the hotel?
A bit of workation. I'm researching my next novel, an AI-themed techno-thriller taking place in the world of international chess.
Sounds like a page-turner. And what was in the suitcase?
Uncut diamonds. What do you think was in it, man? My clothes and toiletries.
Had to ask. Right, that's all I need. My office will be in touch. Please have a drink on the house.
Oh, believe me, I shall.
Well, the blonde man is no bellhop, that's for sure. Time to do the laundry.
On sait toujours pas pourquoi il a jeté cette valise. Hein. Staff only, inspecté. En raison du renforcement de la sécurité pendant l'événement, les codes seront changés tous les jours. Ils sont conservés dans le bureau du responsable derrière la réception.
That's what Nivik will say.
Ici, je peux aller aux toilettes. Produit chimique. Occupé. Ok. Derrière la réception.
Who keeps texting?
It's Ezra. His uni interview is in 2 weeks and the poor boy is just up the walls. Honestly, I am too. It doesn't bear thinking about. His entire future decided in the span of 2 hours, maybe less.
Well, there are other universities.
Ici?
Sure, Archie. And there are other inhabitable planets out there, in theory.
Never seen the hotel so busy before.
I know. Hosting the championship was a great publicity move. From what I hear, the owner almost bankrupted himself on the renovations. I need the extra bookings.
Oh, je suis dans un bureau. J'aurais peut-être pas être là. Château de 47 du vin mis en bouteille en 2014. Ah, 47, ça doit être une référence à Hitman. 2014, 1952, 2008. Il y a toutes sortes de trophées. Note de dégustation. Excellent. Ok. Qu'est-ce qu'on a? Code de la blanchisserie 1805. Ah, bah c'était bien là.
1805, Battle of Trafalgar.
On n'est pas venu là pour rien. Est-ce qu'il y a quelque chose derrière? Non. Il y a un code. Ah. Bon, ça doit pas être 1805. Quelle date il y a marqué là? 1972. Il y a en comparaison du Haras sacramental. On va essayer 1972. C'est pas ça. Et le Haras sacramental était mieux, il a dit. C'est pas celui-là. Oula. C'est pas celui-là. Vino sacramental, 1952. « 1952 alors peut-être. Ah, c'était ça. Qu'est-ce qu'on a? Un objet de collection. Clé de la cave. Objet de collection et clé de la cave. Ok, super. On n'a pas fait ça pour rien. Donc la blanchisserie, c'est 1805. Hein. Trafalgar. Non, on va rien faire de tout ça. On va repasser par là. Hop, parfait. En toute discrétion.
It pours.
Laundry.
Do you think I could get Gretchen Wong's autograph for my daughter?
Elena, don't be such an old maid. I'm serious. That guy had prison tattoos on his neck.
Excuse me, ladies. Health and safety inspection. Where may I find the laundry?
It's just down the stairs. Did someone file a complaint?
Strictly routine.
Like my marriage. I'm serious. That guy had prison tattoos on his neck.
Most of the laundry workers are ex-cons. So what? They're sweethearts once you get to know them.
Yeah. I'm not going down there without an entourage.
Ah oui d'accord, donc ils embauchent des criminels pour la laverie quoi.
Seriously, you got the wrong idea. They barely even fight.
5K. Half now, half later. Make sure no one follows.
You got it, friend.
Impossible de bluffer les témoins quand ils sont à proximité.
That, Stefan, was your fairy godmother. Get this. He just slipped us 5,000 euros to stop a guy from following him.
The bellhop makes that kind of dough. That online business.
I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say that guy is no bell.
Ah, il y a quelqu'un là.
You know, with all that money in my face, I forgot to pay attention. Listen up! We have a special request. Anyone comes snooping around down here without a damn good reason, you give them the old VIP treatment. Full body makeover. No refunds. Do it right, and it's payday.
Oui, tu parles d'une laverie quand même. C'est que des criminels. Est-ce que je passe par là? Je peux faire exploser. Lessive en poudre, vision faible. Ok. Ok. Faudrait que j'aille là-bas.
What? Guess I look.
Ça c'est fait.
Guess I'll take a look. Right. Stay there.
Alors j'ai pas fait exprès de lui lancer. Et je pensais que ça l'assommait d'un seul coup en fait. Enfin si j'avais été plus réactif sur le X, ça l'aurait peut-être neutralisé. Mais je pensais que ça l'assommait d'un seul coup. Mais là, le fait que je puisse pas bouger le corps, c'est un peu con parce que du coup, là, il y a un corps en plein milieu. Mais non! Oh. Bon, c'est pas grave. C'est pas grave, d'un côté, ça m'a permis de l'attirer pour le neutraliser. Mais c'est un peu bête de laisser un corps comme ça en plein milieu. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a par ici? Rien de particulier, ok.
According to Hernandez, the fund will break the debt cycle many poorer nations find themselves trapped in when dealing with Western governments and pan-national bodies.
International heads of state have issued a joint communique committing their nations to taking steps to curb the rise in illegal arms.
Those buster stains still aren't coming off. Give them a heavy-duty cycle or...
Ouh, là, ils sont nombreux un peu. Ils sont un peu nombreux.
Other pandemic, and it requires a global response.
Right after this bulletin, we have a report from our correspondent in the region of West Africa that is
Je pensais pas autant.
the latest increases in arms trafficking, and it's the rumored location of a fortified marketplace where illegal arms.
Peut-être une bonne idée de passer par là finalement.
And now to business news. Web Industries
Vision faible.
in early trading on the back of rumors of a forthcoming major announcement. Some analysts predict this to be the first sign of a reversal of the recent downward trend that has dominated markets.
Mais je peux en aveugler un.
Technology stocks have seen the biggest loss.
Ah oui, c'est quoi les gadgets que j'avais pris déjà? C'était ça? Ah oui, gadget fumigène, c'est vrai. Parfait. Ah, mais ça c'est bien. Ah bah c'est parfait. Oh c'est super. Parfait. Casquette de groom. Non, de chauffeur. Ah mais du coup je peux passer maintenant. Attends. Ah oui, lui il va voir les corps lui. Mais personne en alerte, mais personne en alerte, mais personne en alerte.
You're right there.
Non! Oh putain. Merde, 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 merde. Ah là là. J'ai pas prévu le deuxième gars qui est venu vers moi. Ah bah résultat ils sont en alerte là. Non non non. Oh putain je foire complètement là. Et il y en avait un deuxième. Oh je foire complètement le truc. Ouais, situation sous contrôle, ouais, t'inquiète. T'inquiète, elle est sous contrôle. C'est bon. Mais là il me soupçonne pas du coup. Je peux passer devant avec la casquette. Ouais c'est bon.
Yeah. Nice work, James.
Putain de merde. Bon, j'aurais... j'aurais neutralisé tout le monde, c'est pas grave. Je me serais battu avec tout le monde. Bouge pas toi surtout. T'as rien vu, t'as rien entendu. Non, j'aurais vraiment foiré cette scène. C'est pas grave.
Gone again.
Slippery bastard. A worn bellhop outfit, size XL. 206. Could be a
206.
An address or a room number.
206, ok. Un sac de lessive de taille XL. Le blond a changé de déguisement. Ouais, c'est bon, il y avait personne.
Cressida, I'm back at my post.
Really?
Really? I'm in full view of the car park.
Good. Let's keep it that way. Stay vigilant.
You're the boss. That escalated quickly.
Ouais, on a le parking, mais on va pas s'arrêter là quand même. Retourner au championnat d'échecs.
See? No one's in here.
Silent alarm didn't trigger itself. Check the windows.
Appuyez sur V pour attirer les ennemis. Oui, c'est vrai que je l'ai pas fait jusqu'à maintenant, j'aurais pu.
Yeah, I see it. Maybe the wind caught it.
Or somebody is in here. Watch your back, fellas.
Stay calm. They'll be unarmed. Nothing gets past the scanners. We'll do a round and call it in. If anything's stolen, insurance will handle it.
Works for me.
Stop messing around. Right.
Mais quel abruti. Mais... Je l'avais pas vu l'autre au fond. Oh. Oh bah tant pis. Hein. Allez, on se les fait. Ah non, mais c'est pas vrai. Non, non, ah, je confonds toutes les touches en plus. Je confonds toutes les touches, laisse tomber. Ah, mais j'avais pas vu l'autre au fond, je suis dégoûté. Putain, j'adore les phases d'infiltration, j'ai fait n'importe quoi. Et je confonds toutes les touches en plus. Bon, on réessaye, c'est pas grave.
Cressida? All is quiet in the car park.
Good. Let's keep it that way. Stay vigilant.
You're the boss. Must have taken the scenic route.
See? No one's in here.
Silent alarm didn't trigger it.
Mais il sortait d'où l'autre? Ah oui, il était là-bas, ok.
I'll be damned. Hey, Laszlo, look at that.
Yeah, I see it. Maybe the wind caught it.
Or somebody is in here. Watch your back, fellas.
Stay calm. They'll be unarmed. Nothing gets past the scanners. We'll do a round and call it in. If anything's stolen, insurance will handle it.
Works for me. Whoever it was, they are long gone.
Or never here in the first place.
I'll notify Chief Kovac. Chief, reporting an incident in the study room. Property damage.
J'aurais dû bluffer ou quelque chose comme ça.
Chief, must be busy.
Let's get out of here.
Faut que j'aille là-bas en fait, mais je sais pas si la porte est ouverte.
Are you volunteering, Laszlo?
Let Milos do it. He's good with words.
Hey, stop being nice to me.
Parfait.
What? Potential casualty, just there.
Sorry, fellas. Desperate measures.
Parfait.
That's right. Move along, folks.
On a géré. Bah lui, ça vous jeter, il m'attendait.
Took you long enough. The blonde man. He's changed his disguise. I knew he was up to something.
Yeah? How'd you know he's not a thief?
He doesn't move like a thief. He moves like a soldier. I'm telling you, something's not right.
Look, I might have seen a bloke who fit the bill. Tall, blonde. Only he was in a suit. Went by the name of Locke.
Where was this?
Over at reception, a little while ago. He was heading upstairs.
Thanks, mate.
Hey, you didn't hear it from me.
Ah, il me soutient, c'est cool. Fouiller l'hôtel. Se déplacer à la réception. Peut-être un indice en haut.
Chief, it's Christoph. Come in, Chief. Kovac, do you copy? Strange. He's never offline. Nadia, have you seen Chief Kovac around? He's not answering his comms.
He went up to room 206 with that gentleman from the insurance company.
Right.
206, ok.
You want me to check up on him?
Nah, it can wait. They're probably going over security features. That chess trophy is worth a fortune.
Room 206. That has to be it.
Et ben on va aller voir cette fameuse chambre 206.
If you're so worried about Ezra's interview, can't you, grease the wheels a little? Donate a wing? Or at least some new outfits for the rowing team? God knows they need them. I mean, hello, the Naughty's called. They want their neo...
C'était quoi ça? Pickpocket.
But in these times, everything's
Pas distrait.
apparent now. The last thing we need is another shitstorm.
Can't let you pass, my friend.
Fair enough.
Ah, ok.
Need a way to
Well, I feel...
À mon avis, il faudrait choper ce gars-là dans la poche. Là, il est assez distrait quand même. Je peux pas le pickpocketer là. Là, je peux pas le pickpocketer. J'aimerais bien avoir cette clé du personnel. Je peux le rendre malade. Ah merde. Je vais attendre qu'il revienne là, je vais le distraire avec l'aspirateur au pire.
What was that?
Better check that.
Cassé. Témoin à proximité.
Doubt you'll be needing that.
Et là il va pas me laisser passer. Ok. Bon, peut-être que je dois passer par cette chambre. Oula. Toujours un peu surpris quand ça arrive dans les phases d'infiltration. Je me demande s'il y a quelqu'un... Moment la menthe. Ok. Carte d'accès, chambre 205. Parfait. La chambre d'à côté. Et on peut pas enlever la chaise? On peut pas enlever la chaise. Attends, la chambre 205 est là-bas? C'est curieux un peu, non? Il y a une fenêtre là-bas, je peux sûrement passer par l'extérieur. Mais attends, mais... Ça mène à la chambre 205 là, c'est ça? Non, à l'entrée du personnel. Excusez-moi, j'ai éternué. Non, à l'entrée du personnel, pas la chambre 205. Voilà, 205 à 207 c'est là-bas. Il va pas me laisser passer. Même si j'ai les clés. Donc...
Room 206, second floor.
Lui il est parti. Hop. Fléchette. Voilà, on va faire autre chose. Saboter l'horloge. J'ai trouvé à 205. Ok. Et de là, je devrais pouvoir accéder à la 206. Logiquement. Je vais fouiller un petit peu ce qu'il y a dans les placards. Carte postale de Slovaquie. Un message torride griffonné au dos avec en prime une trace de rouge à lèvres. Suite 205 dans 5 minutes, mon mari regarde le match. Comptez ça, DH. Ah oui, puis je la garde. Ok. Ah. J'ai pas fait une fouille à la chambre, excusez-moi.
Pardon me, Mom. Didn't think anyone was in. I'm with management. One of our guests lost his pet anaconda. We're going floor by floor.
Well, it's not down here.
I'll take your word for it.
Go on.
Ouais, je m'en vais, vous avez raison.
On your way out.
That was unusual.
Là, je suis dans la 206. Parfait.
Hi, detective. I'm in 206. It's a mess.
Ah ouais, il y a eu bagarre ici, c'est sûr.
This should be good.
Protocole de sécurité de l'hôtel.
I found a keycard holder, minus the keycard.
Could mean anything, mate. Don't jump to conclusions.
Porte-carte en vélin, vide. Bratislava Weekly, cachet de l'hôtel, mort mystérieuse, célèbre climatologue, Orlando, Floride. Ok. Force un petit peu.
Found a wool suit, size XL. This guy changed his disguise again.
Or he changed his outfit. Small word, big difference.
Monroe, this isn't some party that got out of hand. These are signs of a struggle. And someone put up one hell of a fight.
If that's the case, where's the body?
Good question. I found the chief of security's wallet. It's full of cash. Doesn't look like a robbery.
He might have dropped it.
In the fireplace? Monroe, this is serious. The blonde man did something to the chief of security, I'm sure of it.
Okay. So why? And how is this connected to 009?
Not a clue. Yet. Call you back.
Ouais, il y a eu bagarre, on sait pas ce qui s'est passé. Et les deux ont disparu. Mais moi j'aurais récupéré l'argent perso.
Housekeeping.
Jet lag. Gets me every time. A chef? How does he manage to change clothes so fast?
Anyone else feel that? Singh, talk to me.
I'm picking up some chatter about a power surge in the electrical room. It crashed the security system, but there doesn't appear to be any permanent damage. Nothing to indicate foul play.
Copy that, Singh. Keep an eye on it. Everyone else, step up your search.
Monroe, listen to me. The blonde man, the missing security chief, the power surge, 009. Somehow it's all connected.
Look, say you're right. What's his game?
I don't know, but Greenway said 009 is a master manipulator. If he knew what we know, he'd pull the plug for sure.
Okay. I'll look into it. Where are you now?
Back in the blonde man's trail. He won't slip away this time.
Je sais pas si c'est une bonne idée de descendre là. Ah si, peut-être. Hop, aller à l'étage en dessous. Pour pas éveiller soupçon, étant donné que je suis passé par le garde. Hop là, je suis pas en intrusion là. Parfait. S'il me revoit passer là, il va peut-être pas apprécier. Bon, moi je suis pas en intrusion. Non, c'est une corde. Tac. Je me rembourse mes fléchettes.
Anyway, it's lucky that the emergency generators kicked in, or we still be out of power. Security system still offline though. I'd call that a red flag. According to the logs, someone went inside shortly before the power surge.
Must be the security chief. He's the only one with authorization.
The security chief's keycard was missing. This is starting to add up.
Peut-être qu'il se fait passer pour le chef de la sécurité, le blond.
That's him. Now what's in those crates?
Je rigolerais que ça soit réellement Hitman. Parce que là, ça colle, hein.
Relax. It's force majeure. It's not like anyone knew.
Mr. Kovac will hear about it.
Thank me at dinner.
Oui, il faut vraiment descendre par là?
You really do know everybody. You ought to be with MI6.
Maybe I am.
Ah mais je suis pas en zone interdite là.
He must have gone down this
I
way.
don't know what happened. I was on a shift at the delivery gate and suddenly, bam! Cold sweat, stomach cramp. Very mainly left.
There. Gotta hurry.
Bond, your hunch was right. I found your missing security chief stuffed inside a laundry cart in the basement.
I knew it. Monroe, the blonde man smuggled something.
Et voilà, c'est sûr.
Security scanners were down. Something heavy.
Oh, this is bad. I'll inform
One of
Cressida.
those days.
Don't let this guy out of your sight.
Il y en a du personnel par contre. Hein. La cuisine est immense. Il y a beaucoup de gens. Oh, désolé. Il en a marre, il en a plein le cul.
Went into the staff area. Didn't see him. Why? Nothing. I could have sworn I saw a bellhop who looked just like him. Maybe he's doing double shifts.
Tiens, tiens.
You again.
That's right, the maid is picking a lock. Now you've seen everything.
Well, that was close.
Don't get used to it.
James, whatever you think you're doing, stop. You're in over your head.
Yeah, tell me about it.
This is insubordination. Get back to your...
Une voleuse, une espionne.
There was something in those crates. Hey!
C'est pas une raison pour s'en prendre au poivron. Hein.
Locked. Stairs. Missed him again.
Oh, il va trop vite.
This is amazing. I don't think I've tried it before. Is it your...
Il va trop vite.
I can't take credit, I'm afraid. The hotel owner has a huge collection of mixology books in the premises. Oh yes, his pride and
Bon, je passe devant tout le monde tant qu'à faire. Greenway.
Can you believe this brat? Down in front.
Impossible.
Il a laissé le chariot. Ok. Qu'est-ce qu'il a fait? Le contenu était retiré. Il trimbalait quoi? Page arrachée d'un livre ancien. Le texte est en slovaque, mais on dirait les instructions de mécanisme secret. Ah, c'est la page qu'il a déchirée sur le cahier qu'on a vu tout à l'heure.
Six dials. Take more than blind luck.
Ouf, lion, poisson, homard. C'est quoi ça? Un bélier, un capricorne? Tortue, serpent. Ça doit représenter... Ok. Alors moi qui ai beaucoup joué à Skyrim, je devrais pouvoir réussir quelque chose. Je vois qu'il y a ça. Bon, est-ce qu'on peut le regarder? Il y a le lion et il y a une sorte de bélier. Lion bélier, ok. Ce serait que ça?
Nothing to it.
J'ai fait au pif. J'ai fait complètement au pif.
Monroe?
Je sais même pas que c'était ça. Eh ben ok, ben parfait.
Cressida?
Super.
She wouldn't listen.
Grosse énigme. Hein.
Break cover.
Merci.
I don't know about this. Damn it, Monroe, there's no time to wait for permission. We need to act now. This is the last time I'm saving her. Eyes on target. 009 just entered reception, heading straight for the Grand Hall. The blighter's not even in disguise.
Passer par où? Ah, par là. Ah non mais l'énigme, j'en reviens pas. Étagère de rangement poussée. Obligé? Je peux pas passer là? Mais voilà. C'est plus discret.
I see him. Everyone reposition. Cover the exits. Monroe, what's your status? Monroe.
Ils ont trouvé 009.
Cressida, we need to call it off. Something bad's about to happen.
James.
Oh, monsieur.
Where's Monroe?
Almost there.
Mes respects. Monsieur Napoléon.
Monroe, acknowledge. Lennox.
Hang on, mate. Oh, breathe. Okay. Breathe.
Ah merde.
Monroe. Monroe. Cressida, it's Monroe.
Eh ben on l'a retrouvé.
Stay down.
On dirait un peu Mads Mikkelsen. Alors, parer le combat d'un spécialiste avec A pour le déséquilibrer. Je l'ai défoncé. Je pensais qu'il serait plus impressionnant que ça, je l'ai défoncé. Ah merde. Ah oui, ils sont deux. Ok. Oula, oula. Pas mal. Une fois qu'on a bien les touches, c'est pas trop mal. Oula, oula.
Calm down. Focus. Okay, where's the off switch?
Batterie, carte mère, moi. On va prendre la batterie. En toute logique, si elle est plus alimentée. Carte mère?
Useless.
C'est quoi du coup? Et câble.
Come on, which one?
Ils avaient dit quel à l'entraînement? Lequel? Ah, je sais plus. On va dire le vert. Le bleu. C'est scripté ou on peut perdre? Ok.
Second device.
D'accord.
Cressida! Cressida! I'm coming! Stay where you are!
C'était moins une.
Move.
James, I can't feel my...
On? Which way did he go? I blacked out for a second and the son of a bitch was gone. 009. Of course, it was a bloody suicide mission. He used himself as bait to get to me and that... There! That's him! Bond, go! I'll take care of her. Don't let him get away.
I paid the price, James.
Permis de tuer. Parfait. Là c'est 009 qui s'échappe. Ok.
Looking for these?
Hold on.
Tiens. Oui, elle est plus subtile que nous, j'imagine, oui, c'est sûr. Hop là, hop, 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 hop. Oh là, attends. Je vais pas toucher à la souris. Ce que je vais faire, c'est que je vais pas toucher à la souris parce que ça me... C'est peut-être bien de jouer à la manette pour les phases en conduite. Bon, attention.
Careful what you wish for.
Ah mais à peine je touche le contrôle de la voiture que elle bouge pas en angle droit, mais presque quoi. Wow. J'espère que j'ai bien réglé le son parce que sinon là au clavier vous entendez des tuc 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 tuc. Ah, je crois qu'il y avait un raccourci à gauche. Et on va essayer de le rattraper. Ah mais il continue tout droit. Ah il m'a eu. Je pensais qu'il allait reprendre la route. Oula. Ouh, oh non. Je me suis fait avoir. Fallait prendre à gauche. On recommence. Je pensais qu'on aurait pu passer derrière. Je sens que la conduite est pas mal assistée quand même. Ah mais là c'est pareil, j'aurais pu prendre à droite. Allez, on va le rattraper. Je le vois même plus, hein. Je sais pas où il est.
I'm with the DGSE. That's
French intelligence. James Bond, MI6.
Guess I figured as much.
What's your interest in 009?
Becca didn't spend his 50 years on a golf course. That's what you think. DGSE has been hunting him for a long time. This is the closest we've ever gotten, and I'm not letting him slip through my fingers now.
Sounds like we have a conflict of interest.
How about we burn that bridge when we get to it?
Fine by me.
There. Pull over.
No sign of 009.
Plenty of his friends, though. I'm not loving the odds.
I've had worse.
Well, in that case, get down there, draw their fire. I'll flank them. We need to keep that plane on the ground.
Well, what are we waiting for?
There's that English sang-froid. Bonne chance, James.
Ah, je sais pas si elle est vraiment française, parce que le bonne chance James, elle l'a dit mais avec un accent pas français. Un peu curieux.
Prepare for lift-off, now!
Alt et E pour déployer un fumigène. Hop 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 hop.
Straight below. Watch your head. He's reloading.
Oh putain.
I can see it. Am I okay?
Mais non mais mets-toi couvert là.
Down to me now.
Il me rend fou. Allez, on y va au fusil à pompe, tant pis. Hop là. Il n'a pas beaucoup de munitions. C'est bon, j'en ai un peu plus.
Can't stay here. Plane's leaving.
Non, je me suis un peu trop avancé. Oh, la précision. prendre la mitraillette, tant pis. Attends, il y a un baril explosif, je pense qu'on va s'en éloigner un petit peu. Ah yes, ça c'est une arme que j'aime. Oh, il est mort en lui tirant dans les jambes. Mais j'ai plus d'armes. Je vais devoir me foutre là-bas. Mitraillette. Non, j'ai plus de balles avec le fusil d'assaut. Ah, j'ai pas utilisé la précision, aucun gadget. Vas-y, je peux utiliser un gadget pour une fois. Mais ça sert à rien, ils sont pas regroupés. C'est pas explosif ça, ok. Il court. Hop. Je suis mort. Mais comment je l'ai rattrapé? Ah oui, là c'est... Mais comment je rattrape le tuyau sans me prendre ça? Ah oui, d'accord. Ah oui, je l'aurais pas deviné celle-là. Voilà. Pas la peine de se prendre la tête. Oula. Bah oui, mais je peux faire quoi avec lui là? Ah si, peut-être. Attends. Mais non, mais il va me toucher si je fais ça. Oui. Effectivement. Mais je serais mort aussi si je m'étais approché. Attends, on va réessayer. Et... hop là. Voilà, dégage. Ah ouais, mais là c'est un peu contre-intuitif, c'est un peu idiot. Enfin, je trouve. J'aurais dû lancer un gadget, un truc comme ça, je comprends, mais là non, même pas. Je dois foncer sur lui qui me tire dessus quoi. Ok, je suis à l'intérieur de l'avion. Pourquoi je peux pas le neutraliser? Ok, il le fait tout seul.
Plane's flying dark. It's all up to me. Think. Need a way to force it down. If I could access the flight control system. Let's make some turbulence.
You. Ok, ça c'est énorme. Ça par contre c'est énorme. Ça c'est du rarement vu dans un... Et la bagnole veut pas s'écraser sur vous là? Mais oui mais... mais... Allez la voiture, écrase-toi sur eux là. Ah bah ça y est, s'écrase. Oups, non, non, l'autre sens. Hop, je prends une arme. Voilà, barrez-vous. Wow. Ok, il va falloir attraper un parachute. Où c'est qu'il y en a un dans tous ces débris? Là, dans cette caisse. Évidemment. Viens voir toi, viens voir. Viens voir. Parfait. Et ouais, bah mission presque accomplie du coup. On va pouvoir localiser l'avion avec la montre. Ouais non, à mon avis c'est considéré comme un échec. Hein.
James, the service is over.
Sorry to intrude. I'm Sir Nicholas Webb, AI pioneer, national security advisor and CEO of Webb Industries.
I was going to say, I'm sorry for your loss. Secretary Bright informed me of what happened. I'm sure you did all you could.
So much for the Secret Service.
As the creator of Thea, I'm privy to certain information. I know all about your exploits in Iceland. Most impressive. Why did you do it? If I may ask. Risk your life on a 1,000,000 to 1 chance?
I couldn't do nothing.
Yes, I know the feeling. People really are capable of the most extraordinary things. spend so much time around machines, I sometimes forget. No rest for the wicked. You're a rare breed, Bond. I should be interested to see what you do next.
Going private sector already? You tell me. Come on. M wants us back at MI6.
Yes? Yes, sir. Take a seat. Hold all calls to my direct line. These are the facts. 009 is acting on some archaic vendetta against MI6. His actions have brought us to our knees, and we are in the midst of a full-blown diplomatic crisis. This is exactly the kind of cock-up that Foreign Secretary Bright has been waiting for to shut the program down. However, it's not all bad. Thanks to Bond's quick thinking and your eye for detail, Greenway, Thayer's managed to pin down 009's whereabouts. I'm sending you to Mauritania to bring him back any way you see fit.
I have a few ideas. Need I state the obvious? He is not ready. I am perfectly capable of handling this.
You open that for me? Right. Greenway will take point. Bond, you will do as you're told. This is our one shot at calming things down, and I need you two to work together. Am I being clear?
Perfectly, Mom.
Bond, you go and see Q for your gear and Moneypenny for your briefing. You're dismissed.
Happy to help. This insufferable and immature behavior I'm talking about, and this will not.
Don't you have somewhere you need to be, Bond?
Right. I do.
Ok, on a fini la mission, on est presque à 1h30 de vidéo. Je vous remercie à tous d'avoir été là, on va arrêter cette VOD ici. N'hésitez pas à mettre un like, un petit commentaire. Et je vous dis à très bientôt pour une nouvelle vidéo. Salut à tous, merci.